I'm starving.
I'm starving more. There it goes again, but closer this time.
Barney, it's you.
It's only my stomach growling. I'm hungry for a snack.
Today.
Wait here.
I'm hungry. I'm just trying to survive.
No, you abandoned me.
That was odd.
Gee, I don't like the sound of that.
Uh-oh, Stat, something's going down there. Stomach just moving. Hold on, dude.
Running like that made me so hungry.
Do you guys think if I put my mic to my stomach, you guys can hear me, can hear it, like talk about food? Do you hear that? Talk about, Doritos. I love Doritos. I'm actually really hungry.
The only ones dying tonight are your... I said, the only ones dying tonight are your...
I'm sorry. What?
Your fans! We're gonna eat your fans!
Yeah, we've got time. My stomach. Dr. Zoom, was that you?
Okay, I have been trained, but my stomach hasn't. Just give me a little bite, guys.